Hello everyone, my name is Thakkar, student of Kabir Institute of Professional Studies. Recently work as an intern in SLTL group in Customer Relationship Management department. During my internship, I got opportunity to work on in multiple tasks and projects. I have learned many new things: how to deal with the customers, how to give a company tour, how to present our company, and whatever the best product and services we as an SLTL providing towards the customers. Team members and seniors are very supportive and guided me whenever I need the help. And the work environment is very professional, positive, and motivating. I'm really thankful to the SLTL group and my university to provide me this opportunity to grow. Thank you.